Searching for a 2010 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included.
Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.